Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency in the observed and the felt. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Be in awe of what is most attractive, of what is enjoyed. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Go beyond the limits in referencing vibrations. Bhagavan, fortunate, blessed, wealth, illustrious, divine, holy, worshipped, cherished, and leading existence is a term that is first known in the Bhagavad Gita rather than in the Vedas, our early Upanishads, and it's also known in some Puranas. In this age only, the lowest class is given ready instruction to be such, but the higher classes, the ones that we can become, are upon religious principles that we may have to seek out. It is not justice to excuse criminal acts when justice is to be implemented, in a physical sense. When teachings or other means of benefit arise, people of all types should be able to have fair access. We are not in this human form to be mere animals. The temporal is only to be used for the spiritual, for the eternal. It is ignoble to not be upon the right thing in difficulty or displeasure. Show respect for the fact that beings may have valuable qualities left. The 4 categories of sinful life do not instantly disqualify those of some devotional service. Now, in saying this, I am definitely saying, not excusing certain things, I'm just saying that as long as people haven't gone to misbelief about these deeds, they've made mistakes, but they can atone and come back. As long as someone's alive, there's hope, right? Acharya, a selfless, perceiving, disciplined, honest, humble, rule-following teacher, worthy of a student, should be appointed as early as possible and for as young as possible in the life of one's children. Go beyond mere logic or reference in justification. Be moved by more than mere detail, but by spiritual themes. Operate your body as a temple. All living beings have rights to protect. Government should encourage universal employment, and for each to follow their own religion. People shouldn't be excused of their crimes because of religious titles. God gives us extra chances if we need it. Devotion is not to act out a personal opinion, but to be in line with the revelation and inspiration of God. Understand according to your own language and culture. God is not contradictory, nor of mistakes. The better servant is the higher spiritual position of creation, while a master of masters is the highest material position. Sympathize with the society and the creation in general, and call for the return to corporal punishments. There were some things that went too far. I'm not saying that we need to be all draconian or anything, but the death penalty and lesser corporal punishments would be good for society. The higher level of criminals figure, well, I got some clout, I murdered people. It's like, yeah, because in prison, unless you're getting like revenge or something like that, or ganging up on someone, the thing is, you may get the upper hand, but they've killed before, and they're probably, got long enough on their sentence that they're not even going to be considering that too much. It's not going to be enough of a deterrent. Don't act upon envy, but to increase God consciousness and piety. Hopelessness in pursuing God consciousness or liberation is key to demonic life. We may think that we have a natural character that is difficult to change, but these things can be gradually changed. Discover our true nature, manifest divine qualities with the humility to realize we are not becoming gods, are equal to God in anything value. Certainly anything that's evil wouldn't be of God, so therefore we can, but you don't want to be that, right? So text 13 of chapter 5 is my currently favorite verse of that chapter of the Bhagavad Gita. Sarva kammanne manasa sannyasyasta sukham vasenava dvare puredehi neva kurvanna karyan. All activities by the mind are given up, and there remains in happiness one who is controlled in that place where there are 9 gates. In that city, the embodied soul most certainly never is doing anything, nor not causing anything to be done. So, karma, in some respect, you're definitely doing some things right, but you're going beyond the reactions. In your city of 9 gates, Eher, Ha, Hu, Pamluk, Gun, Nuit, Yabba. That is one of my names, but other people have gotten of their names, so now you know the secret of the 9 gates. Our bodies are seen as 9 gates. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Chant. If you can do nothing else with your spirituality, there's always chanting one thing or another that you agree with. But this chant in particular, it connects one with the themes of realizing the presence of God. So God consciousness is about as essential to religion as one could get. I'm not saying there aren't better things to say. I'm saying that this one, if you go beyond the forms and you're picturing and don't be misassociating, it's a wonderful chant that one may never get bored with, even if one says it thousands of times a day. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari.